Say my final thoughts for this would be diversification. So, ano nga ba yung diversification? So, basically, diversification is, I'm pretty sure na narinig niyo na to, you don't need to put your money in one basket. So, kapag nag-invest ka kasi dito, automatically diversified agad yung funds mo because you get the chance or you have an opportunity to own shares sa Microsoft, sa Apple, SM, URC or Ayala Corporation. So hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, pag-uusapan naman natin ang Ginvest by GCash. So for as low as 50 pesos or 1,000 pesos, pwede ka nang mag-invest. So if you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So by the time that you are watching this video, baka nakapag-umpisa ka nang mag-invest through GCash or baka nakabili ka na ng mga products that being offered by GCash. So please let me know if ano-ano yung mga products that you already invested through the Ginvest by GCash. So me personally, wala pa akong nabibili but I did my research for today. So ano nga ba yung Ginvest by GCash? So on this video, malalaman natin yan. And we are also going to talk about how to start investing and what are the types of investment na pwede natin bilhin. So let's start with what is Ginvest by GCash. So Ginvest by GCash, it's actually a collaboration between GCash and thru. Okay? So GCash is going to be the platform that will be used to buy and sell the investment. So this is where we are going to monitor the investment and this is where we are going to withdraw our investments in the future. So that's the role of GCash. And thru, they are the one who offers the investment. So the good thing about this, if you are already using GCash by now, because and you are already a verified GCash user, and second, if you have money in your GCash, then you are actually or you have the ability to invest or to put your money through the investment funds available through the GCash application. Paano nga ba? So all you need to do using your device, you just need to go to your GCash application, mag-login ka lang, and then once you are already logged in on your GCash application, select mo lang yung show more, and then under financial services, makikita mo doon Ginvest. Okay? So, after mo makita yung Ginvest, before you would be able to log in or to view the investment products, meron ka lang need na i-fill out na form that is actually the Know Your Customer or KYC. So, if you fill out the form, there are no right or wrong answers. So, you need to ensure that whatever your answers there, make sure that it is honest and possible because that is only one way for them to identify your risk appetite or risk profile. So may tatlo kasing classification yung risk appetite. So it can be that you are a low risk type of investor, medium risk type of investor, or high risk type of investor. So, let's now talk about the different types of investment in terms of the G investment by GCash. So, if you go to the GCash application, and then once you're done filling out the form or the customer profile or your own risk profile, there are currently 5 investment products available here on the GCash app itself. So, I break it down into 3 categories, yung 5 na products available here on the application. 3 of them are equity funds, 1 is bond fund, and the other one is money market fund. So, now let's talk about the 5 investment products available through the GCash application. So, kung bago ka lang, kung ngayon mo lang naririnig what are equity fund, bond fund, or money market fund, yung tatlong nabanggit ko, these are types of mutual funds. So, basically, what is mutual fund? Mutual fund is a pooled fund. So basically, kung 5 tayong investors, pinagsasama-sama niya yung mga pera natin, and this is being managed by a fund manager. So si fund manager is responsible in buying shares from different companies na hindi natin kayang i-access. So personally, if you will be asking me, the good thing about this types of mutual funds is you have the ability to be diversified immediately. Because, for example, if you will be investing in only a specific stocks, like for example, bumili ka lang ng stocks ni Jollibee, and if si Jollibee bumaba yung price ng Jollibee, then automatically lugi ka na. So, the good thing about mutual fund is diversified agad yung portfolio mo. So now, let's go back to the investment products available through the GCash application. I just gave you an idea of how mutual fund works, but in my next videos, I am going to create a specific video about mutual funds. Okay? So, once you are already on the GCash application, makikita mo doon, there are 5 investment products. So, let's go ahead and talk about the money market fund first. So, if you select money market fund, the risk rating of money market fund is conservative. Okay? Ito yung this product is good for those who has a low risk type of profile, or kung yung appetite mo is low risk ka lang na investor, then this is good for you. If you select the ATRAM Peso Money Market Fund available here, makikita mo dito, the minimum initial investment is 50 pesos. Minimum additional investment is 50. So, ibig sabihin, if you want to add more investment, or yung tinatawag nilang top up, you just need to add 50 pesos. So, as you can see here, the past 1-year return is currently 0.55%. So, by the time that I am accessing my GCash application, it's currently stated here 0.55%. Now, there is also a fund description here on the application. So, it says here, fund picks includes time deposits, placements in BPI and RCBC and Treasury bonds as of Feb 26, 2021. So, sabi dito, this is a Philippine-based fixed income fund. It aims to preserve capital and provide higher returns compared to most banks' deposit. True enough, because kung ang past 1-year performance nito ay 0.55% and ikaw bilang low-risk type of investor at nilalagay mo lang yung pera mo through bank deposits, mas mababa yung interest rate that the banks currently can offer you if you put in your money through the bank itself. So, most of the banks, 0.125% lang. Here, past 1 year return is 0.55%. But what I would like to tell everyone, this is also not guaranteed. So whatever the past performance, it doesn't guarantee na yun pa din naman yung magiging performance ng fund na to in the future. So that's the first fund. That's ATRAM Peso Money Market Fund. So that's good for those who have conservative risk rating. Okay? So next, let's go ahead and talk about their bond fund. So yung bond fund naman here is ATRAM Total Return Peso Bond Fund. So this is good for the moderate investors. Ito yung kung ang fund rating mo naman to yourself, you are a moderate risk investor, then this is good for you. Fund description, fund picks. It says here, Retail Treasury Bond, March 2024, August 2021. So, fixed rate treasury notes, July 2030, May 2027, and this is as of Feb 26, 2021. So, ano nga ba yung composition ng bond fund? So, the fund is composed of a variety of Philippine government and corporate bonds. Its goal is to preserve the principal with potential for capital gains. So, the question is, magkano naman yung minimum investment dito? Minimum initial investment is 50 pesos. Minimum additional invested is also 50 pesos. And this is what is good about this product or this investment vehicle. Yung past 1 year return niya is 5.10%. Okay? So, if you are going to access your GCash application, yung data that is being displayed there is for the past 12 weeks. So, medyo updated siya. So, we already talked about the money market fund and one bond fund. Now, let's go ahead and talk about yung mga tatlong equity funds, or these are for those who has a risk appetite of high risk naman in terms of investing. So, let me go ahead and talk about the ATRAM Global Consumer Trends Feeder Fund. So, fund description, fund picks. So, yung fund manager will be the one to invest through Amazon, Alibaba, Shopee, Sony, and according to the description here, as of January 29, 2021, so the fund invests entirely in equities based on individual consumer needs. This is a global feeder fund from foreign companies. If personally, I don't have an investment through Amazon or Alibaba or any global investment at the moment. So this is good fund, or this is a good investment product for those who would want to have an investment or makapag-participate investing globally. So the minimum initial investment for this product is 1,000 pesos, and minimum additional investment is 1,000 pesos. And according to GCash application, past 1 year return is 79.99%. So this product is for those who have higher risk. Okay? So, next, aggressive or higher risk here. So, let's go ahead and talk about, this is the fourth one. This is ATRAM Global Technology Feeder Fund. So, fund picks for this investment product naman, the fund manager is responsible investing through Microsoft, Apple, Alphabet, and Samsung. And as of January 29, 2021. So, the fund invests entirely in equities of technology companies. This is a global feeder fund from foreign companies. So, kung gusto mo din makapag-participate or magkaroon ka ng investment through these big companies like Microsoft, Apple, Alphabet, and Samsung, which personally wala din naman akong investment, this is also good for you kung high-risk type of investor ka. minimum initial investment for only 1,000 pesos, pwede ka nang mag-buy. And then, minimum additional investment is also additional or yung top-up na pwede mong bilhin. So, guys, I'm telling you, past 1 year return naman ng fund na to, according to GCash app, makikita niyan 74.26%. So we already talked about the fourth product. So the last product that we are going to talk about, so ito naman ay ATRAM Philippine Equity Smart Index Fund. So we talked about yung dalawang equity funds nila, global. Ito naman here in the Philippines. So the fund description says here, Fund Picks, Globe Telecom, Ayala Corp, SM Investments, Universal Robina Corporation as of Feb 26, 2021. So this fund invests only in 30 companies that compose of the Philippine Stock Exchange Index, and the fund allows its own enhanced index approach. So kung bago ka lang sa investment or investing, ang sinasabi lang dito, itong Equity Smart Index Fund, the fund manager only allocate your money through those companies that I mentioned earlier, Globe Telecom, Ayala Corp, SM Investments, and URC. So the minimum initial investment, since this is locally invested, the minimum initial investment only is 50 pesos. Minimum additional investment is 50 pesos. And past 1 year return is 18.89%. So yun yung mga 5 investment products na pwede nating mapag-investan through the application of GCash. So now, we already talked about what is Ginvest. We already talked about how to start investing. So this is basically if you have already or if you are already using your GCash, these are for those who are number 1, kailangan verified na yung GCash account mo, and number 2, dapat meron ka ding fund through your account. So my thoughts for this is the perfect time for us to allocate some of our funds through these investment products available, number 1. Number 2, magkakaroon tayo ng exposure dun sa global funds if you are interested to invest through the equity funds globally. So that's the second one. And number 3, this is the time for us to, if we have an extra money or extra fund, this is the perfect opportunity for us para mag-invest through them. And these mutual funds or these 5 types of investment, I would say these are good for those who are I would say busy, kung busy ka na tao and you don't have a time for you to study the market, you don't have the time to study yung volatility ng market, then this is good for you because this is being managed by a fund manager, and si fund manager is responsible in buying a number of shares or through those fund picks na nandito na na-mention ko earlier. Third, I would say my final thoughts for this would be diversification. So, ano nga ba yung diversification? So, basically, diversification is, I'm pretty sure na narinig niyo na to, you don't need to put your money in one basket. So, kapag nag-invest ka kasi dito, automatically diversified agad yung funds mo because you get the chance or you have an opportunity to own shares sa Microsoft, sa Apple, SM, URC or Ayala Corporation. So basically, if meron kang extra fund right now, this is the perfect time for us to allocate some of our funds. So those are the types of funds that currently being offered by Ginvest, GCash. So in my next videos, I am going to buy or I am going to allocate some of my funds since meron din naman akong mga funds na hindi ko naman ginagamit. So what I'm going to do is to buy some of the funds there, and then I am going to share to everyone. We are going to monitor the fund, the performance of the fund moving forward. So that I would be able to share with you if we are earning from that fund, ano yung current performance ng fund, nalugi ba ako, or negative ba yung fund ko. So, basically today, pinag-usapan lang natin yung Ginvest by GCash, if this is a good investment or not, ano yung mga how to start investing, and what are the different products available through the GCash, Ginvest by GCash application. So that is it for today's video. I really hope that you learned something from this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and invest wisely.